Hi, Matt with Custom Car Grills here. I'm here to show off the new lettering plates that we have for sale on our website. Included in the box will be a back plate, a color plate, and a top plate. We're also including a hex key, black bolts, silver bolts, with nylon washers and nuts. The way these work is the top plate goes in front of the color plate, then both go over the mesh with the back plate behind it. To assemble this on our mesh, the first step is to line up the bolt holes with the open areas in the mesh. With the color plate in place, the top plate should go over top of it with ease. To protect the finish of the top plate, I'm going to put a nylon washer on a bolt. Then repeat this for the other bolts that are included. Next, it's simply a matter of placing the bolts through the plate holes. Now, let's take a look behind the mesh at this point. The back plate can now be applied, and I'm going to get the supplied nuts to secure it together. To start, they just need to be hand tight, but do need to be secured firmly. Here's a look at a cross section of all the layers working together. To tighten the nuts, a 1/4 inch socket is needed, which is not included. The hex key, which is included, will fit in the bolt heads perfectly. To do the final fastening of the nut and bolt, I typically like to hold the bolt still and tighten the nut, though it is possible to get the same result by turning the bolt while holding the nut in place. These letter plates can be done in a variety of colors, like this high contrast black and white. Also, these are designed to work with many of our meshes. Quite a few of our meshes will have all the bolt holes line up somewhere on the mesh, but some of them only connect in a few points. A list of compatible meshes will be available on our website. Overall, these are a great way to accessorize any grill. Here's a really nice installed picture of our CCG badge on a Toyota Tacoma. I hope you liked this video, and as always, if you have any questions about our products, feel free to contact us.